See, last lecture we are discussing this. Our manual is there. हे manual आहे. हे manual है. Last. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. See, in last lecture we are discussing the 8085 simulator is there. Last lecture we are discussing the 8085 simulator is there. In that simulator we are discussing the two experiments are there. Just brief discuss of two experiments and then go to the by using case software. The experiment is there. So this is the first experiment. Write a program to add two 8-bit numbers are there. We are using the 8085 simulator is there. We are using 8085 simulator is there. So this is your manual is there. This is the, we are using not kit, that at time we are using the simulator is there. By using kit, how to do the experiment I am explaining. Now this is the 8-bit addition is there. See, this is the program MVI03H. This is the MVI. See, in last yesterday's lecture we discussing the move instruction in 8051. Here is MVI instruction. MVI instruction is the immediate data transfer. A, 03 is transferred to the A. But in 8051 for immediate addressing mode, what we are doing? We are doing move A hash 03H is there. Move A hash 03. See, difference between the, I am writing here, move A comma shift 03H. See, what is difference between these two instructions? This instruction immediate address mode in your 8085 and this instruction is your 805. Last lecture we are discussing this instruction is there. So hash is denoted. This is also a immediate addressing mode. This is also a immediate addressing mode. Both are the immediate addressing mode. So same in the 8085 and same in the 8051. These two are the immediate addressing modes are there. So 03 is the value which is transferred to the accumulator is there. Here 03 is value transferred to the accumulator, but we are using the instruction is MVI. MVI is the opcode and 03 is the data is there. So see the difference between, that's why I'm giving the difference between 8085 and 8051 instructions are there. So next we are discussing this, the addition is there. You will get the output is there. We are see the outputs in simulator is there. How the output is stored into the memory location and your we are discussing the memory locations and register is there. Okay, so this is the experiment we are doing. 8-bit data is there. Same program for the 16-bit addition is there. For 16-bit addition, we are using the LXI register is there, and here LXC. In your 16-bit, what we have to do? We have to use the instruction is move C is there. For the move C, we are using for the transmission of the 16-bit data for the code data, and for the value, we are to use the move X is there. See the difference between this LXI and 8085 and 8051 is there. So in 8085, we are using the LXI instruction for the 16-bit data, and move C and move X, we are using the in 8051 for the 16-bit data is there. So see this load 16-bit location is there, and in that locations, we are using the instructions are there. We are discussing all the instruction in last lecture. ADA is there, add C instruction. This is the first, this second experiment is there, 8-bit and 16-bit subtraction is there. Only difference is that you have to use the SUB instruction is there. We have to use only the SUB instruction is there. Just like add, here we have to use the SUB instruction. Here is also same thing we have to do. Here we are using only add replace with the SUB instruction is there. Okay. So our today's experiment is experiment number 3, to add 8-bit or 16-bit addition using 8051 microcontroller. For that purpose, we have to use the Keil software. For that purpose, we have to use the Keil software is there. We have to use the Keil software is there. See, this is a C51V80.exe file. This file you can download in your by using Google. Write down this instruction C51V, or you can say as a Keil software for the 8051. So this is the exe file. You have to download this exe file. After download, you will get open this exe file, run this exe file, and Keil software will be run on your PCs there. There is no need of any other software is there, because for the simulator of the 8085, we required the Java exe file to open this. But in your Keil, there is no need any software is there. This is the C51 software is there. You can download by using your Google is there. So see, this is the file is there, exe file is there. So you have to download this exe file and you will get the Keil software is there. After the download, we can see this is the Keil software is there. So this is our Keil software is there. Okay, so this is our Keil software is there. So how to write down the program in Keil software? So one by one we have discussed how to write down the program steps. I am going to give project, give the name of the new project is there. This is the new project. New project, write down the name of the file of your project. Just I am writing sample. This is the extension of this project file. .uv2 is there. .uv2 is the extension of this file there. Save this. After that, you have to go to the Atmel. Atmel is the manufacturer who design or who manufacture the controller is there. In that, lot of controller is there, but what we have to do, we have to search our 8051 controller is there. You have to search 8051 controller is there. See. So this is the 8051 controller is there. Here I am discussing at the same time. Remember these things is 8051 CMOD controller. 32 input output lines are there. How many timers are there? 2 timers are there. 5 interrupts are there. We are discussing. For 2 timers are there. 5 interrupts are there. Then 4 KB ROM is there for the program memory. 128 RAM for store the data is there. So this is our 8051 is, I'm again saying 8051 is the which one? It is a hardware structure is there, because data memory and program memory are different. So okay. See, this is source group is there. Hello. Then you have to give the file, new file is there. Just time copy the simple program is there. Okay, then you have to save this file. File save this file. Give the name of the file is, suppose I'm giving first dot asm is there. Then save this file. Then right click, add files into the group is there. Here is we are giving the asm file. Then we run file. Save as file. First dot asm. First dot asm. Then I am giving, go to the right click, add files. Here is the all files. First here is the first dot asm, add loop is there. Okay. So this is the first dot asm is there. Then right click, rebuild the target. There is no errors in the program is there. Okay. Then go to the start and debug. First step by step, F11 is there. So F11. So this is the execution of the program. A will be at the 0. It is there. So see how to this. See how to run the program. Go to the debug and start and stop debug session is there. Start and stop debug. This is the given the evolution is there, running with code size is 2k is there. Running code size 2k means our limit is to write the program in this scale is up to the 2 KB is there. If your program size is more than 2 KB, then this software is not support this. So for that purpose, we require the another version is there, or in your 8051, we require the external memory, external ROM to connect the programming is there. So this is the limitation for that given. You give the OK is there. Okay. Then see step by step run the program is there. First is move A,05. See, here is the registers are there. See, discuss the register. This is the R0 to R7. See, you have the 4 banks are there. We are discussing 4 banks are there. Bank 0, bank 1, bank 2. But by default, bank 0 is there. This is the register. Each bank contains the register of the 8-bit is there. So R0, R1, R2 are the registers are there. So these are the register which is connected here. Then this is the accumulator is there. Then register B, you know that what is use of the register B is there. Register B is for the multiplication and division purpose is there. Then another thing is stack pointer. See, I am always telling that stack pointer is that the reset condition is 0 into 07 is there. So reset condition of the stack pointer is 07. Reset condition for the stack pointer is the 07. See, all other registers are contain a reset condition is 00. R0 is contain a 00. R1 is contain the 00, but our stack pointer is a 07. This is very important at the time of your online examination is there. 0 to 07 is there. Then another is a data point. So this stack pointer is 07 is the reset and DPTR is a 00. So remember these things. After the reset, stack pointer contain value 07. At that of the online examination, this important question is there. and this is R0, and R0 is the R0 and R0 and R7 are the registers where you have to store the values of the bank. 0 is there. By default, bank 0 is there. So step by step execution. See, this is the first instruction, move a comma 05h. First instruction is move a comma 05h is there. So after a comma 05, this is the hash. You know that this is hash, so it is a immediate addressing mode. काय तो immediate addressing mode आहे. In that immediate addressing mode, you transfer 05 into the accumulator. You transfer the 05 into the accumulator there. If I am giving the F8 is there, so sorry, not F11 is there. After F11, see, after L1 what happened? A is contained value of 05. A is contained value of the 05. After another instruction, R1 is contained value of 03. R1 is contained value of 030. So F11 is there. So R1 is contained value of 03 is there. After that instruction, what happened? This is the next instruction is add A comma R1. So A is contained value 05. R1 is contained value 03 is there. A is contained value of 05 and R1 is contained value of 03 is there. So you have to add this value. You will get the answer is 8 is there. You will get answer is 8 is there, and this answer is stored into the accumulator. This answer is stored into the accumulator. So R1 is as it is 03. R1 is as it is 03. But your accumulator value will be changed. It will become a 08 is there. It will 08 will. Okay. So after this F11 press, so this is here accumulator value will be changes there. F11. This value will be 08 is there. This value is the 08 is there. Okay. Understood? So this is the value of the 08 is there. So this is a programming is there. Then start and stop debug is there. So see the programming. Here they are giving the add C instruction is there. We're discussing what is the difference between add C and add is there. Here add C means you have to add the number with carry is there. If carry is generated, you have to add the carry also. If previous carry is there, then you have to add the carry is there. See, after this you will get the 46H is there. So this is the addition is there, binary addition we are discussing. So we have to take this. In example is there 12 and 34H is there. Then go to the 00H. This is 32. Again, it is the 12 is there. 12 is there. After writing this, you have to give the save this. After saving, right click on and rebuild is there. Rebuild the target. Rebuild or build the target means what? What is the meaning of this? In your C is Control F9 is there, means you have to convert the program into the, where you have to convert this, you have to convert the program into the machine language there, means 0, 1 you have to convert is there. So this is a rebuild target is there. So see here program size and give the warning. Error is 0, warning is 0 is there. Error is 0 and warning is 0, code file is there. Okay. So then you have to go to the debug and start and stop program is there. Evolution is there. F11 I am giving. Or you can directly run the program. If you give the F5 directly run the program, you will get the answer on the accumulator is there. But one by one. F11 contain 32. R1 is contain 12 is there. Addition of these two, you will get the 45 into the accumulator is there. See here also we can see this is 12 and 34. I am taking the 32. Here is 12 and 34 is there. I am taking 12 and 30. The answer is 34 is there. So this answer is 44 is there. So 44 is stored into the accumulator is there. So this is the program is there. This is the program is there. Then you have to start and stop. So first, how to write the program we are discussed. Then you can understand the software. Just I am giving the process again. See, I am giving another process is there. Just remember, file, close file, then project is close project is there. Okay, just I am giving another step-by-step instruction. Then go to the how to write the program, because in your unit number 3 there is a how to write the program is there. If you have PC, then install the install the Kale software on your PC is there, and then run the software on your PC and do the programming, because after completion of the instructions we are going to the programming is there. जेव्हा आपण प्रोग्रामिंग शिकवतो त्या प्रोग्रामिंग मध्ये तुम्ही काय करत जावा, त्या गोष्टी ऍड करत जावा. ठीक आहे, मग करत जावा प्रोग्राम त्या सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये. यू कॅन गेट द कॉन्फिडन्स इज देअर because you have to write the program. How to write the program I'm discussing in by using this algorithm is there in manual. Just I'm giving the steps because our practical session is there. So see the steps to how to run the program is there. So here is the project. Why it is the project? Because in that project we have to, this is the new project is there. In that project you have to add the number of files are there. So your project, new project is there. Okay, no project is there. You have to give any in that project you have to write down the name of the project is there. Suppose I am giving the name of the project is sample one is there. See, another thing is that extension of this project is .uv. .uv2 is the extension of the project. Remember these things, then save. Then go to the atmail is there. In that atmail, search the 8051 is there. See, remember these things. If you search another controller, then output will be not, you are not getting the output is there. So it is 8051. Okay is there. Then file, new. I'm writing the same program is there. Just I'm giving the process is there. After that, file, save. Same name I'm giving. First name, save. See, what is the problem after doing this? Still program will not be run. Why? Because this file is not add in your project is there. What is the use of the project? You can add number of files. You can add number of files in your project is there. So for that purpose, you have to use the project is there. So what students are doing after the writing the program, they are not add this file into your project is there. If you are not add the file into project, then project will not be run is there. Project will not be run is there, because file not run, project is run. See, file is not run, project is run, and if number of files are present in projects, each and every file will be run is there. Each and every file will be run is there. So here you have to, one step must be remember is that right click on that and then add the files. This is very, very important. Every student is not doing such a step is there, and then program will not be run is there. He step karna atyanta garejeचं आहे. So write down, add this source file. Then here you are going to .c. In 8051 or in Kale software, there is a program you have to done by using a .c is there, but we are not go to the .c. We are working only assembly language is there. So here in .c you have to go to the all files are there. In that all files you are getting the ASM files. See, after the execution of the program, first.asm, we are discussing this files also. If first.asm is there, add this file and then close. Add this file and then close is there. Okay. So this file will be added in your project is there. So right click on that and rebuild the target. Right click on that and rebuild the target is there. Or build the target or rebuild the target. You can do any, build the target is there. After that, you can see the same thing is there. Okay, after that you can see there is no warning and no error there. No warning and no error there. And how to run the program, you can see debug and start and stop the program. Then debug will be done. And then step by step means F11. You will get the answer is there in the accumulator. So this is the way to run the program by using Kale software. This is the way you have to run the program on your Kale software is there. Okay, run the program in Kale software. So remember these, or write down the steps where you want to write the in your notebook is there. How to run the program by using Kale software is there. Okay, so one by one we will discuss the program. So first addition of 8 bit is there, the 16 bit also program. See, when writing the program, just I am discussing this one. This is discussing this one. How to write the program is there. If anybody asks, write the program. How to write the program? So it is the 8-bit addition. It is the 8-bit addition. First, when you're writing the program, first think how to write the program in your, what are the limitations of your software which you are learn. See, there is a lot of limitations for working with the softwares. If you are on 8085, what are the limitations? 8051, what are the limitations? If you are using the C program, what are the limitations of software? If you are working with the .NET, what are the limitations of the software is there? So you must remember the limitations of the software. What are the registers are present in the software is there. So first, write down the algorithm. First, you have to write down the algorithm is there. In that algorithm, first you have to think in your mind, what is the what we want to do. You want to do the addition of the two numbers. If you are working with the 8051, then you must remember that all the additions are done in the accumulator. Okay. If you are working with the advanced microcontroller, if it's ARM processor or in Arduino, you are not working with the accumulator is there. We are working in any register is there. But here we are working with the accumulator because our limitations of the 8051 is that you are working addition in your accumulator is there. So first you remember one value must be taken into the accumulator because this is the limitations of your 8051 is there. This is the limitations of 8051 is there. Working with the accumulator for the addition is there. So it must one register must be connected to the accumulator. One value must be there into the accumulator is there. Okay. So in your algorithm, you have to say one number into the accumulator. This is the limitations of your 8051 is there. Must be one number into the accumulator is there. Then what is the second algorithm step? You have to take the second number into any register. Here is no limitations are there. You can take R0, R1, or you can take also B register is there. Any register you can take, or you can take any locations where you have to store the register. You have to retrieve the location or take the value from that location is there. Okay. Then next step is, what is the step is algorithm, you have to perform the addition is there. Perform the addition is there. After the addition, our addition must be stored into the accumulator. This is also limitations of 8051. This is also limitations of the 8051 because after that addition, result must be stored into the accumulator. Result must be stored into the accumulator. But you are working with the multiplication, you are working with the division. Which register we have to use? After accumulator, you have to use the which register? You have to use the register B is for that addition is that. You have to use register B for that addition, sorry, for that multiplication and division is there. So we're discussing after this program is the multiplication program is there. So this is the end of the program is there. So this is the way to write algorithm of any program. This is the way to write algorithm in any program, because in your unit numbers you are discussing the different programs are there. So first you have to write the algorithm of that program is there. So what is the algorithm? First, you have to take the values into the accumulator and register. Then take one number in the accumulator. You have to take second number into the register R0. Then perform the addition. Then store the result into the accumulator, and this end the program is there. Okay. See, after KL software, you write down, you remove this step. You remove this step and direct write down this program. What will happen? Then tell me, after you are doing the programming in your KL software, after installing the program on your KL software, and remove this step, org00h is there. Write down the after second step and run the program. If the program will be run or any changes you have to do in the see in the program is there, then tell me in next practical session. Okay. Remember, this is the homework for you. This is the org00h. Remove this org00h in that your KL software and write down the program after the second line is there, and see what is the output is there. So this is the homework for you. So you know that how to write the program. Move a comma 0h is there, move R134h is there, add this number and end the program is there. So this is the 8-bit addition. We are good to the next program. This is 16-bit addition is there. See, this is the 16-bit addition, 34 and 12. In previous, in 8085, 8085 we are using the LXI is there. We are using the LXI is there, and in that we are create a pair of the 16-bit register BC, then HL. Okay, we are doing D. These are the pairs you have to create. Here, not creating the pair of the any register is there. Here is not creating the any pair of any register is there. What they are doing, we are discussing the programming is there. Here is the 16-bit. 3256 is the number, which is the 16-bit number, and 1234 is the another number is there. After that addition, you will get the answer is 448 is there. 448A, you will get the answer after this. But where you have to store the answer? In your previous 8085 programming, what we are doing, see. See, in that programming, what they are doing, the B and D register is there. They are using the BE and D. E register is converted into the L. Your transport this value into the L is there, and the higher bit and lower bit store into the HL is there. So this is the register for the BC. 16-bit register you have to create. D is another 16-bit register you have to create and store the register into the L. HL is there. HL contains the 07, L contains the 07, and H contains the 06 is there. So these are the 4 registers are there. Sorry, 6 registers are there. B, C, D, E, H are there. All the registers are the 8-bit is there. But when you are doing the 16-bit addition, we have to create a pair of this register is there. We have to create the pair of this register is there. Okay, we have to create the pair of these registers are there. Okay, understood. So, but in 8051, there is no creation of the 16-bit register or pair of the register, where we have to use, in that we have to use separate register for to store the separate data is there. Separate 8-bit data is there. There is no 16-bit register. Is only 16-bit register is stack pointer and program counter is there. See what they are doing. They are add lower bit is there. 56 plus 34 first they have to add. See what is the program is there. Move A comma hash 656H. 56H is the transfer to the accumulator. 56H is transferred to the accumulator, and 34H is transferred to the register R1. 34H is transferred to the register R1 is there. Move 56 into value into the accumulator. Then 34 your transfer to the R1 is there. 34 is transferred to the R1 is there. 34 is transferred to the R1 is there. After that, you have to add this. May add A comma R1. Means R1 is contained 34 and A is contained the 56 is there. A is contained the 56 is there. After the addition, you will get the value which is stored into the accumulator. You know that after the addition, value is stored into the accumulator is there. Value is stored into the accumulator is there. What they are doing, then they are copy the value, means copy the result into the R2 is there. So A is contain a value. This accumulator is contain a data. It is transferred to the R2 is there. It is transferred to the R2 is there. So after this addition, what is the addition? Addition is 8A. 8A is transferred to the register where they are transferred to the register R2 is there. Again, what they are doing? They are doing that 32 is the higher order bit, 32 and 12. These two you have to add this. Means 32 is transferred to the accumulator and 12 is transferred to the register R3 is there. Register R3 is there. Then they have to add this. Here we have to use the carry. Here we have to use the carry. Why? Because see, add R3 value previous carry into the accumulator. Understood? If you are doing the 56 and 34, after that addition, if carry generated means what? Your carry flag will be 1 is there. In your PSW program status word, carry flag will be generated means CY is equal to 1 is there. So in previous 8-bit addition, if there is a carry generated, then in that programming you have to generate this carry. Generate carry is add with the accumulator is there. Means 32 plus 12, and if there is a carry generated, this carry is add to the accumulator is there. So what is the addition is there? If I am writing here, addition is A is equal to A plus what is the value of R3 is there, and then if there is a carry, CY is there. So after this instruction, what is the output is there? Accumulator is contained, addition of accumulator, addition of R3 and addition of carry flag is there. Addition of carry flag is there. If you add these three and this is stored into the accumulator cell. In that instruction, add A1, that instruction is gives. What is the output of this instruction is there? If I am giving this, add A comma 3, this is the instruction is A is equal to A plus R1 is there. A plus R1 is there. Here is no carry is there. We are discussing in add C is there in instruction because we are discussing the only instructions of the data transfer is there. After that, we are discussing the numeric arithmetic instructions are there. So this is the add A comma R3 is there. Here no carry is there, only A and A plus R1 is there. But here after this add C, you have to generate carry generated in this previous instructions. Then this carry will be added to our result is there. So after that your transfer is R4 is there. So R3 is contain a lower byte which is 8A is there and R4 is contain 44. There is no any 16-bit register is present in 8051 also and your 8085 also. They are all registers are the 8-bit registers are there. Only stack pointers and program counters are the 16-bit. Stack pointers and program counters are the 16-bit is there. Okay, and then end is there. Okay, understood? So this is the addition of the 16-bit data is there. So see, I am doing the programming. Copy the data into the programming and then see what is the output of this after this instruction is there. See, again, I am doing the steps. So you remember all the steps are there. Just see the step which I am doing, the step for doing the programming is there. Project, new project, give the name is experiment number 3 is there, experiment number 3 is there, save, then go to the @mail. In @mail, you have to these steps are very important. If you miss any step, your program will not be run is there. In this is the 8051 is there. This 80C51. Okay. Where after that we have to add this. That I am going to know is there. Then file, new file is there. Then program is there. This is the program. In next practical, please download the Kale software on your PCs there. If you are working with the PCs there, and then run the program with me is there. तुम्ही सॉफ्टवेअर डाउनलोड करून घ्या नेक्स्ट प्रॅक्टिकलला तुमच्या पीसी वरती. मग 1 बाय 1 प्रोग्राम आपण काय करू, मग इथे जे चेंजेस केले ते चेंजेस तुमच्या पीसी वर येतात नाही ते फक्त चेक करा. नसेल तर आपण मी तुम्हाला सांगेन हाऊ टू व्हॉट इज द रॉंग विथ द युअर प्रोग्राम इज दॅट. सो have you seen the screen? So give the name of this file is there. This file is suppose I am giving the name is addition 16. There's add 16 or addition 16 is there. Then give the name is .asm is there. Then .asm is there. Okay. Then save. Then save. Then file. Save. Then give to the add this file here. Add files and folders. Go to the ASM. or all files or ASM source. You can go to the ASM also, or you can go to the all source. So depending upon you, you have to select anyone because where ASM files are there. So addition dot ASM means assemble. Dot ASM is assemble file is there. Add. Okay. Then after that, right click on that, then rebuild the target. See, if you are not writing the colon, the program will be run or not. See, if you are not writing the colon, program will be run is there. There's no need to write on the colon is there. Okay. See, just save the program. Then right click, rebuild the program. Okay. There is no warning, no error is there. If I'm removing the 00H, see. So this is the run the program is there. There is no error is there and no warning is there. Okay. How many codes are there? 12 codes are there. Program size is 8.0 is there. Bytes. Then go to the debug programming. Debug, start and stop debug. Give the limit is there. Okay. See one by one. Here, which register we have to use? Here we have to use the register A is there. For register A is there. This is the A register is there. Then we have to use the R1 register is there. Where is the R1? This is the R1 register is there. Then we have to use the R2 register is there. This is the R2 register is there. Then we have to use the R3 register is there. And then we have to use the R4 register is there. So where we have to store the result, which is the result? Result is stored into the R2 and R4 register. Our result, which is the result is there, 44. This is the result 4484 is stored into the R2 and R4 is there. See one by one. First F11. First 56 is transferred to the accumulator. 56 is transferred to the accumulator is there. See 56 is transferred to the accumulator here. After that 34 is goes to the R1 is there. 34 is goes to the R1 is there. So R1 is goes 34 is there. So 56 plus 34 the addition which is stored into the accumulator. Add A comma R1 means what? Addition of 34 to 56 you have to add this and it is stored into the accumulator is there. So accumulator become a 8A is there. Accumulator become a 8A is there. See accumulator become a 8A. So this is the lower bit 8A will be add and this is stored into the accumulator. So what after this what we are doing, this 8A will be transferred to the register R2. This is the instruction is there. You have transfer this A to the register R2 is there. So R2 contain the lower 8 byte, or you can say LSB of your result is there. LSB of your result is there. If I am giving F11 is there, 8A become to the R2 is there. F8A become to the R2 is there. So this result will be stored into the A is there. Again, this A is replaced with the 32. The A is contained, the 8A is there, but you have to transfer this 8A value into the R2 is there. So 32 will be go to the accumulator is there. So see 32. Accumulator is again 32 is there, and 12 is goes to the register R3 is there. 12 is goes to the register R3 is there. So R3 contain value of 12 is there. So after this addition, R3 and A means 12 and your 32. The answer is 44 is there. This 44 is stored into the accumulator is there. So see this 44 is stored into the accumulator. So see accumulator contain value 44 is there. Then you transfer this 44 value into the register R4 is there. You transfer this 44 value into the register R4 is there. So R2 is contain value of 8A and R4 is contain value of 44 is there. So after this F11, 44 is there. So our result R4 and R2 means 44 8A is the result. R4 is contain the MSB value and R2 is contain value of LSB is there. So our answer is 4484 is there. So here answer is 44 is stored into the R2. Sorry, R2 is stored into the 8A and R4 is stored the 44 is there. So this is the addition of the which one? 8-bit, 16-bit addition is there. Okay, 16-bit addition is there. Understood? This is the program of experiment number 3 is there. 16-bit addition is there. So next program, next experiment you can say or program is there. 8-bit subtraction using arithmetic operation of 8051 is there. See, if you are download the 80 Kale software, then see, can we give the input to the data as a C in your C programming, because everybody knows C programming. That's why I'm giving the example of the C programming. In your C programming, what you are doing in C program, you have to take the output. How to take the output? You have to take the output from printf and scanf. Okay, printf is write a data and scanf is the take the data from the keyboard. So C in your 8051, can it possible to take the input from this? तुम्ही इनपुट घेऊ शकता का? हे फक्त सर्च करा. आपलं घेत इथं काय केलं आपण? We are using what we are using. You are using directly the immediate addressing mode. You are using the directly the immediate addressing mode means what? You have to take the values directly from the register is there. You have to take the value directly into the register is there means immediate addressing mode is there. But if you want to take the input from the keyboard, suppose here I'm doing the here see the program subtraction of this. Subtraction of this, subtraction is 3 and 2. Subtraction of the 3 and 2, your answer is 1 is there. Okay, but I am taking the different values. When I am run the program, I want to take the different value from the keyboard. Can it possible? Please see this. Can it possible? Please see this in your 8051. Next lecture tell me that it is possible to take the input from the keyboard is there. It is possible to take the input from the keyboard when you run the program. Just like our C program or any programming or any software, you have to take the input from the keyboard is there. So please search this, how to take the input from the keyboard in 8051 or by in your Kale software is there. Okay. Next lecture we'll discuss this, how to take the input from the keyboard is there. But before that, you have to search one wiki is there. To search this, if you get this and match with the my result is there. Okay. तर बघा तुम्हाला येते का ते. The next the program is a simple program move A,03H, move R202H, subtraction of accumulator and move A,R6 where result is store is there. Move A,R6 result is store. You will get the answer is there. You will get the answer is the 0, 1 is there. Okay, this is subtraction program is there. Then next experiment number 5 is multiplication of the program is there. Multiplication of the program is there. Okay, first subtraction, then we will go to the multiplication is there, and all these program we have to do by using input is there in next practical session is there. Okay, all the 3 programs are 3 experiments are there by using your which one input is given through the keyboard is there. So first we have to go to the subtraction, then I am going to the multiplication. Only difference is that in subtraction what we have to do. In subtraction, we have to use the 2 different registers. Which register? You can use R2 and A is there. For subtraction, we have to use the R2 and A is there, and SUBB is the subtraction value is there. But here in your multiplication, which registers we have to use? Here we have to use the register A and register B is there. And you have to multiply A, B is there. You have to multiply A, B is there because I am discussing at the time of the architecture of 8051. This B register is used for the multiplication and division purpose. This B register is used for the multiplication and division purpose is there. So after the multiplication, MSB is stored into the accumulator and LSB is stored into the B is there. Okay. And in your quotient is stored into the A and remainder is stored into the B is there at the time of your division is. Next programming experiment number 6 is the division is there. Okay. Division is there. A is stored the quotient and remainder is stored into the B is there. Remainder is stored into the B and quotient is stored into the A is there. Okay, we are discussing the afterwards the division is there. So these are the programs, or you can say the experiment is there. Okay, first we are doing the subtraction of the 2 numbers are there. Every time create the new project. Why? Because you understand the steps for doing the programming step. Anybody is having the Kale software on your PC? कोणाकडे Kale software आहे का? Anybody is having the Kale software on your PC? Or everybody using mobile phone to see the lecture? आहे कोणाकडे Kale software? Okay, so next practical, please download the Kale software on your machine and then see the program. You can free download is there, Kale software is there, 5.1 is there. Again, there is another software is simulator of 8051 is also. After doing the interfacing program, you can see this. So just go to the project, new project. I'm giving the same name is there, sample, save, then go to the HTML. #8051. Okay. Then file, new is there. I'm writing the program org 000h. Then move a comma hash 32h. Suppose if I am writing a comma 32h, so can you tell us what is the meaning of this instruction? What is the meaning of that instruction is move a comma 32h? What is the meaning of that instructions a comma? This is I am removing the hash and just I am writing a comma 32h is there. What is the meaning of that instructions a comma 32h is there? Or you can say what is the addressing mode is there? See, this is not theoretical. See, 32H is the location where data is stored and this data is transferred to the accumulator is there. This data is transferred to the accumulator is there. So this is a hash. So this hash is giving the immediate addressing mode is there. Means you have transfer the value to the 0, 32 into the accumulator is there. Okay. So this is the immediate addressing mode is there. This is a direct addressing mode is there, which is A32H is there. So I'm not 32, I'm writing 03 is there. See here I'm writing the A03H and below I'm writing the R002H. I'm writing the reversely. If I'm writing here, if I'm writing here 02 is there, if I'm writing here 02 is there, and if I'm writing 03 here, what will happen? And here is I'm writing end the program. What will be the output of this program? Output is 1, obviously. Output is 1 because 03 minus 02 minus 03 is output is the 1. But because A, after, what is the meaning of that instruction? If I'm writing here, meaning of this instruction is substitute is A is equal to A minus B is there. A is equal to A minus B is there. Okay. What is the meaning of this? A is, this is not this way. B minus A. This is not this instruction. After the A comma R0 means, sorry, here is A minus R0 is not B is there. I'm using A minus R00. This instruction is not like this. A is equal to R0 minus A is there. After this instruction is denotes, here is A is equal to A minus 0 is there. This instruction is denotes A is equal to A minus R0 is there. Okay, understood. This is not the instruction after this execution is there. This is the execution of the instruction here manufacturing the 8051 is there. This is not the way to R0 minus A is there. So if I am doing this program, then what will be the output is there? What will the output is there? See, we will discuss. See, the output is directly on your run the program, then we will see the step by step what is the output is there. So this is the program is there. जर काय वाटत असेल आउटपुट तर लक्षात ठेवा. Think on your mind. If your mind is match with this, then your logic is developed is there. Logic is developed such a way that if you are changing the outputs and what is the output is given by the controller is there, and you can understand that, then your logic will be developed is there. So you must know that what is the output of that controller is given to you is there. So see, this is the program I'm writing this way. File, save. I'm giving the same experiment number 3 is there. Dot or experiment number 4 dot ASM is there. Experiment number 4 dot ASM. Save. Okay, program will be save is there. Then after that, you have to add this file here. Add files dot asm is there. I'm giving experiment number 4 dot asm. Add close is there. After that, I'm giving right click on that and rebuild the target is there. Expression is not permitted. Which one? 4 number. A comma R0 is not permitted. Reference is not permitted. So if I'm writing this way, I'll save. This is not reference is not expression number 4 is not permitted is there.
क्या हो सर कुछ कॉल बोले
See what is the problem where in the programming is there. This is a error is there. This is the error. Why this error will become in previous section? See here org I am writing OOO is there, not 00h. That's why this error will become is there. Remember this why errors will become expression with forward reference not permitted. Why? Because I am writing org 00h is there, not 00h. I am writing OOO is there. That's why the problem is created. Here is 000h is there. There is a 000h is there. After that I am saving this and rebuild this. There is a no errors. There is no one. Understood? What is the error? Why this error will become? There is no problem in the instruction. Problem in the first line is there. The problem in the first line is there. 00h is there. Okay, understood. What is the problem is there? So that's why the error will become. The next we are going to the run the program. Same, build the program. Then debug, start and stop debug is there. F11 is there. If A is contain value of 02, B is contain value, sorry, R2 is contain value of 03 is there, R2 is contain value of 02 is there. Then after subtraction, what will happen? After subtraction, you will get value of 01 present in 1. See, here is A is contain a 01 is there. Okay, 0 FF is there, the value of because loss one. So what is the after that? See, in your program status code carry flag will be generated. See, again I'm show this how this will be run. After this subtraction, answer is 0ff and then carry flag will be generated. Here is the carry flag. See, start and stop program and go to the debug. See. Here is a carry flag, or you can say borrow. In your subtraction there is a borrow, in your addition there is a carry flag is there. In subtraction there is a borrow, and in addition you have to use the carry flag is there. Here the carry flag is 0. Here the 2 number is small number and 3 number is the large number. So you have to subtract the small number from large number. So in your programming you have to subtract the small number from your large number is there. So because of that carry flag will be generated. Means you can say in your subtraction borrow flag will be generated, but it is not borrow flag. Carry flag is act as a borrow flag in your subtraction is there. So what is the answer? Answer is FF, and after that this carry flag will be 1 is there. See, one by one. Just R A is contain a value 2 is there. Then this R2 is contain a value of 03 is there. 02 and 03 is there. After that you have to subtraction this. What will happen after subtraction? See, there is a no carry flag is there. See, after subtraction instruction carry flag will be 1 is there. Okay, carry flag will be 1, and again auxiliary carry will be run 1 because there will be generated the carry after LSB to the MSB also. The carry will be generated to the LSB to MSB also. That's why auxiliary carry will be 1 and carry flag will be the 1 is there. So you will get the answer is the A into R6. You have to store the answer of FF into the R6 is there. FF into R6 is there. Okay, understood? So this is the program is there, and these are the errors. Why what happened into the errors is there. Okay. Just I'm doing the same program. Here is the program, so I'm doing the same program is there. Only I'm changing this one. 03 and 02 is there. Okay, then save this. Sorry, after the saving you have to debug this. Here is also debug option is rebuild or build target is there, but I'm right click on there, rebuild the target, 0 errors are there. After debug and start and stop, evolution is there. F11 03 is contain A, 02 is contain 1. Again this one is the 0 1 is there, so A is contain 0 1 is there. This is transferred to the register A is there, transfer to register A, sorry, register R6 is there, 0 1 be transferred to the register R6 is there. Okay, so this is the output of this program. Okay, next program we will discuss on the next lectures are there, addition and subtraction. Also in next lecture we are discussing the how to give the input to the data is there, maybe addition of two programs or subtraction of the two programs.